If you're watching my channel for the first time, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get all the latest updates on my channel.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going on a road trip. It's long weekend in Canada and I am just so excited to go on this road trip. So we're going to a town called Parry Sound, which is in Ontario, and look at the weather. It is just so beautiful. It was not raining and it was so cloudy. That was just amazing. Hi guys. And we are going there with a bunch of friends. Here we are in the car listening to Cola Very D's song, and we're just laughing around and just singing the song and everything. We're just enjoying the road trip. And here we are almost about to enter the Parry Sound town. This town is really beautiful. It's a very small town, and I think it was really pretty.
ऐसे करता मैं तो
रेड लाइट मत क्रॉस कर दियो एक दिन में एक ही बहुत है.
So here we are going towards the port parking. We had a plan of going on the cruise, but we got late and the cruise already left. It's around 1:30 right now and the cruise leaves at around 1. But we will find something to do in this pretty town. We're just going to the parking area, listening to the Oh Jane Jana song. I don't know what happened to us. We were completely into old songs that day. And yes, we are following that car because our other bunch of friends are in that car and we already know we missed up on the cruise. We are looking for the parking and we have finally reached, but the cruise is already left, as I told you. But look at this view. It is so beautiful and the weather is doing complete justice to the view. Now this is what happens when we miss our cruise and we have nothing to do. Total madness happening here. Everyone was looking at us and we were just into ourselves.
ये YouTube पे जाइए.
So after the madness, we finally decided to trek and we found this pretty trek area. And look what we found. We found a cute little deer. Not little though, but it was a deer and we were all really excited to see it. And that deer was actually posing for the camera and then got just tired and went away. We actually took 100 steps and landed up to this place, and look at the view from this place. It's just so mesmerizing and super pretty.
उतरो
सारे उतरो मैं फोटो ले. हाँ.
आजो चलो भी चलो.
जानते. ये तो हम खराब है यार.
अगला स्टेप दूजे तो
ओके.
इस तो बाद भी एक
है एक. आजो ओ तेरी
सर उड़ गई मैं.
दूजे.
भाभी
यार आ गए नहीं नीचे चलना पड़ेगा कुछ भी पैर नीचे रखना पड़ेगा
भाभी सी
ओ
भाई तले पसंद
स्पाइडरमैन के सुपरमैन
ओए चलो भागे
बाहुबली
चलो भागे
मुझे तो एंड में आना है हाँ बाकी सब गिर जाए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मैं एंड में आऊंगी
कमल पत्थर गिरने लगा विशु
पत्थर गिर रहा है ऊपर से
चलो भागे चलो 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 चलो
वो तो तेरी भी बाहुबली की देख लेगा
Now we landed up to this beachside area, and yeah, we were just so happy here, sitting here. It was so relaxing, and the view from here was amazing.
कुछ जब वापस आके यहीं गिरेगा पानी वापस फेंकेगा
So that was it for this vlog and this mini road trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get all the latest updates on my channel. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.